everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete files from ChatGPT. So to start, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, from the left sidebar, click Library. So once you're here, you can select Images or Documents at the top. So let's select Documents, for example. So scroll down and find the file you want to remove. Next, click this box right here to select the file and click Delete at the top and click Delete again to confirm the action.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So this file will be moved to recently deleted and deleted permanently after 30 days. So again, just click this box right here to select the file, or you can select multiple and click delete and click delete again to confirm the action. So deleting a chat that used the file may not delete the file from your library. You need to delete the file itself from library. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.